us see how to create a GL master records in SAP system. So normally when I'm taking an interview or whenever I'm discussing with people who are new to the SAP, if I ask them like what are your roles in a implementation project, what they'll say is they'll start with the GL master record creation, vendor master record creation, and customer master data creation. They'll start like that. Normally in real time, this is a data. Okay, if you're a SAP consultant, you're supposed to work on a configuration activities. Okay, so in a project level you will have a EAM, enterprise information management, or a master data creation purpose. You will have a dedicated persons. Okay, their role is minimal in a project, but as a consultant you always better to have a knowledge how to create a master data which is related to your FI module or the CO module or MM module, whatever. Yeah, in case SD module also. So for FI module, GLs are a main components. Why? Because FI module main core purpose is to deliver your external reports. Let's say an external reports in a sense P&L account or a balance sheet account. If you see in a P&L or a balance sheet, it will have always your GL accounts only, whether it could be expenses, revenue, liabilities, or asset, whatever. Okay, so that means GL accounts are the main key components to post your transaction in a system and update them in your external reports. Okay, now let us see. So as I told, in general ledger accounting, this is a main important component. Okay, without this GL accounts we cannot post any financial transaction in a system. Okay, so to create a GL accounts in a system, these four prerequisites has to be met. Okay, otherwise you could not able to create any GL account in any company code. Okay, so let's say first one, chart of accounts needs to be created and assigned to the respective company code. Yeah, and accounting groups needs to create with a reference to, yeah, obviously if you don't have a chart of account we could not able to create a accounting groups also. Then the third one is define a retained earnings account. Okay, to define a retained earnings account also we need to have a chart of account already created in a system. The last one is create a fee status. It's not a group, it's a variant. Okay, it's a typo. Fee status variant and assign it to the company code again. Okay, so these are the four prerequisites we need to have. Then we are good to create a GL account. So now coming to the creation part, GL account can be created in a three ways. Okay, that is up to you which way you will be choosing. Okay, centrally means the GL account will be created automatically in your chart of account level and your company code level. Okay, to create a centrally we use the T code FS00. Okay, so as everybody knows, in SAP all the data will be saved in a tables to into the database. Okay, it could be a configuration data, it could be a master data, it could be a transactional data. Any data will be stored in SAP in manner of tables. Okay, so if you create a GL account in centrally, let's say the data will be updated in two tables. Why two tables? It is a centrally, it is a combination of chart of account level and company code level. The chart of account level table is SKA1 and the company code level table is for a GL account SKB1. Now let us see chart of account level only. If you want to create, you can use FSP0 transaction code, and if you use only chart of account level, the same GL information will save in SKA1, not in SKB1. Okay, again if you want to create in a company code level, you have a separate T code FS00 FSS0 and table will be SKB1. Okay, so when you are creating, there is an approach you need to follow. Whether you want to create a GL account centrally, that is fine, system will allow you to create centrally. And if you want to create a GL account first in a chart of account level, then the same GL if you want to create in a company code level, that way also system will allow you. But any GL if you want to directly create in a company code level first, system won't allow you to do it. Okay, first of all the GL account needs to be created in a chart of account level. Okay, Otherwise system will not allow you to create in a company code level. If you try to do it also, we'll see in a minute, a system will say, hey, this GL account has not created at in a chart of account level. It will say the information that is being written here and down. You just have a look. Let us get into the system and let us create a GL accounts. Okay, one second. Let's get into the system. Okay, I'm in SAP system. This is a HANA. It's okay. In HANA and ECC, in both systems, the creation of GL account remains same. Okay. First, I want to create a GL account in centrally FS00. I'm typing the T code. I am navigated to this screen. Let me have it in a tree way. Then only I can see clearly under how many account groups I have a GL accounts created. So let me enter some company code first. IN47. Let me create. Okay, let me put in a tree navigation. I just need to re-trigger this FS00. Yeah, now I am navigated to the right layout which I prefer to have. Okay, I have here a company code and I have a groups, in which group I have a GL account, and I can see the creation screen. Okay, now we are in a FS00. FS00 in a sense it's a centrally GL creation. So I just want to create a one GL account under assets. Okay, if I know the series assets, we are using something 11 series. Okay, one series we are using. Let me create a next available number which is 11335. Okay, I can copy it, but to show you clearly I'll just create. I'll click on create button. I want to create 11335. Okay, so it has filled above under my company code, and let me select what is the accounting group. That is the reason I told you you need to define accounting groups also. Okay, without accounting groups you could not able to create a GL account. So this is my assets I have selected. I'm just creating test RS prepared expenses. Okay, prepared expenses is an asset. Let me create an asset. As I am creating asset, I no need to select a P&L indicator, which is nothing but a retained earnings account. If I need to create any expenses or revenue related GL, I must have to select this retained earnings tick. For balance sheet account, this is not needed. Okay, you just remember we are creating 11335 GL account centrally. As we are creating centrally, if you see, we have a 6 views here. Type and description 1 view, control data 1, create bank interest, keyword transaction, information related to chart of account, and information related to company code. When you are creating centrally means it's a combination of chart of account level. This screen, whatever screen we are seeing here, this is belongs to your chart of account level. Okay, here whatever screen we are seeing here in a control data, and the screen we are seeing in create bank interest, these two views and this information company code, these three are related to company code, and the first one and the keyword translation and information C by A chart of accounts, these three are related to chart of account level. Okay, so we are in centrally, we have a two views. As IN47 belongs to India, so INR currency has come automatically. That's fine. Let us keep it. Here the other prerequisite, we need to create a fee status variant and assign to the company code. As we have already assigned, we can get the fee status group. Fee status group is one of the mandatory field to create a GL master record. Yeah, we have all the required information. Let me save it. Okay, I just saved it. As I told you, let us go to the table SA16N. Okay, I told you SKA1 is a table. See, GL account master chart of accounts data. Okay, what is the GL account I created? 11335. In chart of account, that IN47 was assigned to TOCA. Okay, let me see whether this GL has updated in SKA1 or not. Okay. What is this? 11335. Okay, let me reconfirm what is the chart of account. It was let me go to 7 EOCA. Sorry, it was EOCA, not TOCA. It was EOCA. Let me execute it. You see this account is presented here in SKA1, and you see only which category of a group it is and what is the description you will see here, but you don't see in which currency it has created, which fee status group it is assigned. That information we don't see in this table. Why? Because this is belongs to the three views of a chart of account level, not a company code level. Now let us go to the company code level table, SKB1, enter, select your company code IN47, again select the same GL. Let us see whether the same GL is created in a company code level or not. You see here we see the same GL in this table. This table is GL master data in a company code. You see here what is the fee status group, what is the currency, yeah, these fields are belongs to your company code, then accordingly those field information have updated. Okay, now let us go back to the other transaction code, FSP0, to create a GL account in a chart of account level. See the title you see here, GL account chart of accounts data. You see here only you see a 3 views, not a many. See, let me select any of the GL, or else we'll take our GL only, whichever I just created, prepaid expenses. See, keyboard information. We don't see here control data or bank data, which currency it is created, under which fee status group it is created. It has not here because it's belongs to your chart of account level creation. Okay. Now, if you want to create any GL account in a chart of account level, let us see. Let me create this time. Let me create any direct expenses. Okay, he has 2 series. Let me consider this one. Right click, copy. The next number is 35001. Let me take it. Non-operating, I'll select. I have not activated a controlling yet. I'll select non-operating expenses. This belongs to my direct expenses category, accounting group. See here, PNL, which is nothing but your retain earnings account indicator. This has come automatically because I was creating with reference to the some other GL account. Okay, and let me put wages. I just created nothing to be filled in other screens. If you have a language specification that you can add, otherwise you just save it. Accounting group account okay, expenses different accounts for okay, till there only he has defined. We have taken a wrong number, no issue. Let us do one thing, let's cancel it. Okay, I'll copy again. I'll give some random 4999. Okay, this belongs to the range already created. Then I'll create the next one 8. Okay, direct expenses again I'll fill wages. That's not copied. Let me rename it wages. Okay, I just no need to create anything. You remember the GL number 34998. I am just creating in a chart of account level. That 3 tabs only visible. In before screen we have created centrally. We have a 6 screens here, combination of chart of account level and company code level. Now let me save it. Okay, the data is saved. It means GL account is created in a chart of account level. Now let us go to the table. Okay, we are in a now let us go to the chart of account level table. As we have created a GL account in a chart of account level, let us select our chart of account and paste the GL account and execute. We can see the table also updated. SKA1 table also updated with the GL account information. Okay, now let us go back to the company code table. Okay, now select your company code IN47 and give the GL account. You don't see it here. See, no values found because we have not created this GL account centrally. That is the reason we don't see it in a company code level. As we have created in a chart of account level, that is the reason it was found only in a SKA1. Now what we'll do is we'll create a GL account in a company code level. Let us go to the path also this time. Financial accounting, general ledger accounting, master records, GL accounts, individual processing. This centrally we are done. Chart of account level we are done. Now FSS0 in a company code level let us create. See, here also you have a 3 views only: control data, create bank interest, and information. Nothing else, right? Nothing else. See, here you don't have GL belongs to which whether it is a balance sheet or you don't know, in which accounting group you don't know, what is the description of this GL account you don't know. The other 3 views which are related to the company code, those fields only you can see it here. Now what is our goal? We need to create a direct expenses, the same GL account 34998 GL we need to create here. You just paste it here. You see here this GL is not present here. 34998 which I was created in a chart of account level, not present here. Now I am trying to create in a company code level. It will allow me. See, it allowed me wages. See, now it has come the name. Now see, you select the field status group, something which is relevant for you. I've just selected. Now I have saved. Now see, this GL account also created. In direct expense it has come. Now if I go to the SKB1 table, if I execute here, now see the table also got updated. As a reason I've created on a company code level, the table also got updated accordingly. Now the other scenario where I've told, like, you need to follow a approach like, first if you can create centrally, that is fine, system will allow you, or else you create a GL account first in a chart of account level, then you create in a company code level. This way also system allow you. But if you want to create a GL not created with a chart of account level directly in a company code level, system will not allow you, won't allow you. Okay, that is a standard SAP behavior. Let us go to the company code level. Let me go to the direct expenses. Let me create a GL account directly in a company code level, which is not there in a chart of account level. Okay, now let me create 7. Okay, 34997. This is not there in a chart of account level. I am trying to create first in a company code level. See what system is telling: account 34997 does not exist in a chart of account EOCA. For this company code, EOCA is assigned. That is the reason it is telling this GL account not created in a chart of account level, so you cannot create in a company code level. If you want to try also, system will not allow you. But as a consultant, you should know this behavior of standard behavior. Okay. To cross verify, let us go to the chart of account level and let us see 34997 was created or not. Go back, chart of account level, direct expenses. See, 777 is not there. If you want to create it, let us create now. That also here. Okay, 7. It has come. Let me name it wages 1. Let's say, save it. Now I created here in a chart of account level. This GL is present. Now if I go to the company code level and then if I create a same GL, now system will allow me. See, now I don't see that error message. It has created. This is how you need to create a GL accounts, and this is a process you should know as a consultant. Whenever data needs to be created for a testing purpose, you can create by your own and you can continue with your testing. Thanks for watching.